evening guys! Ngayon magluluto na naman tayo ng simple at napakadaling lutuin. Ito ay yung nilagang baboy. Favorite ko kasi nilagang baboy kasi maraming gulay. So ang ingredients ko po ay baboy, sibuyas, bawang, nor 4 cubes, patatas, cabbage, patis at black pepper. So, nagpapakulo na po ako ngayon yung tubig, then ilalagay ko na po itong pork. Kaya tara na, simulan na natin. Set up ko na. Mawali ko lang. Kasi siya lang yung malaki. Then, lalagay na natin yung baboy. Ang baboy ngayon ay ginto. Gintong baboy. Baka mahal. So, yan.
And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright.
Then, ilalagay ko lang dyan. Sabay na ng pagpapakulo sa kanya para may lasa na. Yung sibuyas at saka yung sibuyas lalagay ko na dyan at bawang. Dalawang pirasong bawang lang, okay na yan. Tapos lalagyan natin siya ng isang more 4 cubes.
Don't you think that I'd say la vie? Easy come and easy go.
Napakasimple lang po nito. Makukuluin nyo lang siya.
Don't you think that I'd
Tapos lalagyan natin siya ng paminta.
say la
Yung
vie?
paminta, yung hindi siya durog na durog. Dapat nga yung pamintang buo, kaya lang walang available.
And I
Malasa
don't
siya.
wanna be out of sight.
Ganyan na po guys.
The way I look fills me with fright.
Kukuluin lang po natin siya. Pag napakulo natin siya, kumulo, saka natin siya titimplahan natin. Kasi pag ang sikreto kasi dapat sobrang lambot ng baboy para sa.
Well, I don't wanna
Pag
be
kulong-kulo na siya, malambot na, saka ilalagay natin. So, yan na po, atin na siyang tatakluban hanggang siya kumulo na kumulo. Then, balikan natin mamaya.
Don't you
Okay,
think
guys.
live my
So, guys, tingnan na
play
natin.
this game
Yan.
and play the fool?
So,
Don't you think that
sobrang
I'd
lambot na yan.
say la vie?
So, titimplahan natin siya ng patis.
Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I'd say la vie?
Yan, dahil malambot na siya, lalagay ko naman yung patatas.
And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright.
O, di ba ang hirap pag hawak mo lang yung cellphone. Yan.
Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. And I'm a child of
Dagdagan
detail.
ko lang siya ng
And when I pin it, it's heads, not
ko.
tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds? Play this game and play
Ewan
the
ko, gusto ko lagi
Don't you
paminta.
think that I
Ganyan.
say la
Palalambutin lang natin yung patatas. then ilalagay na natin yung ating gulay na cabbage o repolyo. Guys, takuban ulit natin. Oh, yan. I guess luto na lahat yan. Patatas, udam, okay na rin yung lasa. So, ilalagay natin yung last, yung cabbage natin.
And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright.
Alam niyo, hindi to ganun kalasa kasi masarap siyang isaw-saw sa patis, kalamansi, at may sili. Lalo na siguro pag maulan.
With all these words that I think are right.
Gusto ko lagi ganun
I'm a
yung
child
pagkain.
of details. And when I pin it, it's heads, not tails.
May daga na yung maraming
Don't you think I lick my wounds? Played this game and played.
So yan, ano lang yan,
Don't you think that
pakukuluan
I
lang ulit natin. Isang kulo lang kasi,
say la vie?
pangit naman yung overcook na dahon.
Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low.
Wait na lang natin kasi
Say la vie.
yan lang ang ating lulutuin. Konting minuto na lang, tapos na.
And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way
Sabi
I
nila
look
pag
fills
overcook,
me with
nawawala din yung sustansya ng mga leafy vegetable. So, yan na po. Okay na po ang ating nilagang baboy. Diba, napakasimple. And masarap, masustansya. So, sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa akin, please do subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to ring the bell para ma-notify po kayo pag may bago akong videos. Salamat
When I
po.
pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds?
Hapunan na. Kakain na.
Don't you think that I say la vie?